Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Miss Kate haul to share with you. It's been a little while since I bought some Miss Kate paper, but I went ahead and bought some more. I did buy two different kits that were part of the $8.99 Monday Funday Monday. Forgot how it goes. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out what I bought. Okay, I have two different kits that I bought. I did get the Rainbow Wishes paper sticker kit and some matching dies, and I also bought the Best Wishes with some dies. So we'll go ahead and look at the birthday one, and I got the birthday one for upcoming birthdays. If I have birthdays, I can make a card for them. But if you haven't bought from Miss Kate, on Monday she does have an $8.99 kit or cardstock at $5.99 sometimes. She has different deals on Monday. So let's go ahead and check this one out. This one, and of course I get two of them, so one to work on and backup, of course. So with this, you do get 12 by 12 paper pad. You get 20 sheets with 39 designs, and you do get a 15 by 12 sticker sheet. So let's go ahead and look at the goodies of this paper pad. Look at the stickers. Wow, I love her paper pads. They're so cute. They remind me, they're just like Doodlebug. You know, I'm about the cuteness. And look at this one. Look at that. Let me show you that up close. So adorable. And this is double-sided. Wow. So this paper even has one. You get that one. You get the polka dots. I love my polka dots. And then you have different cutter parts on there. Love it. Birthday candles, and then you get cutter parts. So cute. Oh, I love it. This remind me of sherbet. You get more cutter parts. Love. You got some dots. Look at that. So you get you can make a lot of things with this kit. You got balloons. And then some more cutter parts. I do like the big ones that they have in there. Look at that. Look at this one. The purple. And look at all that goodness. So cute. You got the little polka dot green. That birthday presents. Oh, that's real pretty. Real pretty. Got the numbers. Also have it in the red. All of that. So pretty. This is really nice. I love all the deep colors. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. That one. The rainbow. So pretty. You get the orange polka dot. You get the rainbow polka dot. Love the rainbow. Get the white dotted, or the dashes. That. So cute. That one. Oh wow, look at this one. And I like pastels, but I love bright colors too. You know, I love a lot of things. I love Halloween, I love Valentine, Christmas. I love a lot of different stuff. I cannot be put in a box. Let's just put it that way. Look at that. Look at that. That one. Oh, look at the blue. So pretty. So pretty. Get little candles. Oh, look, a bunch of balloons. And then the stickers, which I love, love, love. You got that one. And then look at this. So the die cuts, I always, when she has an 8 by $8.99 deal, I always get 2 of the die cuts. These are regular price, but I believe they're $7.99 or $8.99, around there, give or take. So I always get 1 for each kit that I buy. So let's look at some of these, and look at all the stuff that comes in there. So cute. Love it. Let's look at some of them. And what I like about these, they're so vibrant, and you get all different kind of sizes. We'll look at just a few. Look at that, like the birthday wishes, the birthday in a square. You get some banners. So cute. You gotta celebrate. You get a birthday hat. The birthday hat. Let me know in the comments if you like wearing the birthday hats. I don't mind it. Get the candles. And then you got the candle without the little shine on there. You get balloons. So you get different sizes. You got a little star. You get the, I forgot what you call that, streamers. And then you get little decorations on there. But yeah, this is, I really like this colors and the kit. I like her stuff. She got really nice stuff. So that is the first kit that I bought. Let's look at the other one. Okay, so that's that one. So the next one, and this one, OMG, it makes my pastel heart melt. Look at all that. The blues, the pinks. I love it. It's so girly. I love it. So let's look at the paper pad. You get also 20 sheets, 39 designs, and you do get a sticker sheet. So let's look at this one. OMG. I am in love with this one. This screams straight girly, which I love, love, love. Let's look at this kit. OMG, look at that. Best wishes. Real nice. Look at the reddish orange kind of look. Look at that. Look at the flowers. Look at all the beautiful color parts. Beauty blooms from within. Hello, you're the best. It has some greens. Love that green. At the bloom. OMG, look at that. Let me know in comments if you bought any Miss Kate's papers. Look at that, little dots. Best friends. Goodbye. Love it. Let me show you this side with the flowers. Love it. Love flowers. Stop and smell the roses. Yes, please. Look at this one. Thank you. Thinking of you. You could do it. There's a lot of stuff that you could use this pad for. Oh wow, look at that. And I like her papers because it got like a little shine to it. That one. OMG, look at that. How nice is that? Oh, so pretty. My bows. I love the bows. Such a girly. Oh my goodness. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Look at that. Love the greens. Love it. Love, love, love. That one. Those are reds. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's my favorite colors. That's the green. Love it. Love, love, love. Wow, look at that. Yeah, so when I saw this, I had to get it. And I know Echo Park Flora has one like these colors, which also have two. That one, so pretty. And I love the bows. Let me know you're part of the bow community. Say yes, please. Look at that, so pretty. And then of course the sticker sheet goes this way. Look at that. Look at all that goodness. That's that one. And then of course I had to get the two cutter parts. Or the die cuts, I mean. Oh, let me show you what comes in that. Look at that. So pretty. Let me show you these. And like I said, they all come in different sizes. You got best wishes. Then we look a little delicate. Best friend. You have goodbye. You have little flowers. You have little more flowers. You have roses, I mean. OMG, they did a cutter part of that one. Love it. Look at that. Look at all the goodness. Hello, more flowers, more banners. So yeah, I love, love, love. And if you haven't got any from Miss Kate, I recommend you do. I will leave a link below. I think these die cuts, you could use them for with other kits and whatnot. They are really, really nice, and that is why I get two of them. But yeah, that is my Miss Kate haul I want to share with you. Like I said, I love, love, love these kits. These are super, super gorgeous. So yeah, super gorgeous. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite. Do give me a thumbs up so I know you like the video. I will link these below. They're not on sale, but she does have different sales. Subscribe to her website because she does send emails on what deals she has and her Funday Monday Funday. I forgot how it goes, but yeah, yeah, I love it all. I love both styles. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.